one thing that always just crossed my mind was like people that inherited, let's say, a townhouse or 2 townhouses in Gżira, for example.
Yeah.
That at a point, for most of Maltese history, that meant fuck all.
Yeah.
But in 2012, 13, 14, that meant big time jackpot. You no longer need to work if you don't want to.
Yes.
How much money do you think was made over the past 10 years?
Forget that. Just the fact that they gave everybody another floor on across the whole country. That made everybody
Or
rich.
2 floors, yes.
Yeah, 1 or 2. By measurement. That made everybody rich.
Yeah. If you had airspace,
if you had an airspace, it made you rich. Because the cheapest airspace is worth today 120,000 euros.
Yeah.
So imagine from one night to the next, you've got an extra 120 in your pocket.
The crazy part of that, because that happened with the DC-15, no?
Yeah, the DC-15, exactly.
The crazy part of that is that, so in this country, if you want to, let's say, build a tower, you have to do like a social impact assessment, an environmental impact
very
assessment.
Expensive. It's
And you
very
do all of those things, which I think are right,
Yeah.
because you want to know how you're going to affect the environment, society, community, etc. Before they just went, okay, everyone, you can go like 3-4 meters higher, like overnight. There was no study for that. So this is what I think about that. Potentially, if you knew that was coming out,
Oh, Jesus, you would have bought every penthouse you could find.
Mushek. Not just that. Like if I bought a site and I knew that today the site I can do 4 floors.
And tomorrow you can do 6. Mushek.
Fucking hell, man. Like I would come to you and give you an extra 50K just so you can just hurry up and offload. So my question is, did people know about that before that came out?
I would presume some did, yeah.
Yeah, can you imagine the motherfucking...
It's part of the game, right? It's the way it is. It doesn't matter who's there. It's going to happen.
Insider trading, I believe that's called.
Yeah.
In Wall Street terms. Mela, tlaqna?